What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid taper on my boy, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and combing everything into place, making sure everything's nice and neat. Now that we're done combing everything into place, we can move on to the back taper and create our first guideline with our Goat FX. Now that we're done balding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. You want to make this guideline around 1 inch thick so you can spread the blend. As you guys can see, since there is a good amount of hair, I'm using my comb to feed the hair into the clipper and flicking out with my clipper. Once you're done setting in that guideline, you're then going to slightly close the lever midway and all the way close and attack that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. As you guys can see, I'm using my comb to feed the hair into the clipper. Once we're done setting in this guideline, we're then going to use the lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up this guideline, we're then going to move on to the half guard to erase it completely. Don't be afraid to stretch the skin with your opposite hand. It helps you hold it down and makes it tighter and it doesn't move while you're using the clipper. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support and keep the channel going, go ahead and leave a super thanks down below or a donation. And also follow the Instagram. Now that we're done with our lower guards, we can move on to our 2 guard all the way open and create our 4th guideline. As you guys can see, we're using the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. This guard is going to help us soften up this line and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 2 guard, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. A lot of the times after using the 1.5 guard, there's still a faint line, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using its corners would definitely help. Here I'm going back to my previous guards and I'm detailing as much as possible, getting any dark spots. Before we use our clipper over comb method, we're going to make sure we debulk with the 3 guard all the way open and then use our clipper over comb. Now that we're done debulking with the 3 guard all the way open, we could go ahead and move on to our clipper over comb method and use our horizontal cuts to make it as smooth as possible. It's always best when doing clipper over comb to make sure that the hair is nice and saturated so it's easier to pick up. Now I'm using my 4 guard all the way open and I'm flicking out as much as possible. When doing a taper, you want to make sure that the edges of the taper are nice and even and smooth. If not, then the taper is going to look disconnected. Now we're going to use our clipper over comb to make it as smooth as possible and debulk. Now that we're done blending this side of the taper, we can move on to our Gold FX and make them as crispy as possible. I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. You also always want to make sure you go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Now that we're done with the back taper and lining up the sides, we can move on to our Gold FX and create our first guideline on the side taper. Now that we're done butting him out and shaving off his sideburns, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. We're also making sure that we use the corners of the blade, since it is a small area to fade. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Remember to use the lever to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. Now we're using our 2 guard all the way open, and we're going to create our 4th guideline right on top of the 1 guard all the way open. Now that we're done creating our fourth guideline, we're then going to use a 1.5 guard to erase it completely. Now we're using our 3 guard all the way open to create our 5th guideline, and we're flicking out as much as possible into the bulk that he already has. Now I'm using my previous guards to detail as much as possible, especially between the half guard and the 1 guard. Now that we're done with our taper, we can move on to our C-cups and use our gold FX to make them as crispy as possible. Again, I always start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch using the corners of the blade. I also like to go slower to make sure that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair's gonna shift and then you won't line them up properly. Now that we're done lining them up, we can move on to our Turkish razor and Durber premium blades and make them as crispy as possible. But of course, before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel so that the razor could glide better. When using the razor, you always want to keep it at a 45-degree angle and stretch the skin with your opposite hand as much as possible. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave your super thanks down below or subscribe to the Instagram.